I am an associate professor at Duke University, and I work on figuring out how electrical information in the brain organizes itself to produce emotions, and then to figure out, in the case of mental illness, how those electrical codes become dysfunctional. Since the beginning of time, we as a species have always tried to improve our ability to function within our environment, whether this is learning how to create fire or building homes or using tools. We've now reached a point in history where human beings have the ability to change their own biology, and this is human augmentation. And it's critically important as we enter this phase for scientists to not be the only ones who describe how those changes are going to come about. It has to be part of a bidirectional conversation to establish what it means to be human. So we work on understanding how thoughts happen, how memories happen, how feelings emerge from the electrical signals and processes that happen in your brain. And we also look at mental illness to figure out how those illnesses, those processing, become awry, with an ultimate goal of creating augmentation technologies, brain-machine interface, to correct those electrical signals so we can make people suffering from depression or autism or Alzheimer's live healthier lives again. And so we work at that interface to augment human brains to give them normal function again. So I'm currently working on the sphere of public engagement around the BRAIN initiative. It's a federal initiative where the goal is to understand how the human brain works. And with the goal being understanding and modulating the human brain, it's critically important for the public to be part of shaping that enterprise. We're also working on creating a national high school project to get kids, high school students, really interested and excited about the future of brain science. I'm interested in expanding my skills in public communication, both around oral presentation and written communication, but most critically important, connecting with a group of scientists who think that public engagement is also a center point of driving the enterprise forward.